Hello guys, how you doing? How's been the class? So we're moving to the third objective, and I don't want to waste our time too much because I don't want this to take too much data. So sorry. Under this part, we'll be looking at want to design like a pro, like, as I have said, like this is the practical part. So we'll be looking at three things. We'll be taking a case study, and under that case study, looking at three design stuffs under it. We'll be designing logo, and we design our flyer, and as well as business card. So I want to show some different types of logo that we have. I've downloaded it to my phone. I don't want to like going online and be checking that one. It's okay. So let me just okay, this is the case study. So come, I will still go back there. So this is the logo. You can see Pep's logo is abstract mark. You can see mascot logo. You can see combination mark. That is combination of the letter and the symbol, what they actually do. So that's our combination logo. We have emblem logo as well. That's Harvard University, and that's we have letter mark. NASA. We deal with satellite space related products, and we have pictorial mark, and that's the mark. That's Apple. Apple is they're just using Apple symbol. So and they're not selling fruits. So it's just something unique that can depict them, that will distinguish them from the mark in the market rather. And we have Google. Google is word mark, it's form of word. So that's it. And if you look at for example, now let me just give one example. You can look at Twitter logo. Twitter logo is I'm sorry, is pictorial. So Twitter is not selling belt. So and they use belt as their logo. So now I want us to, before we move to PixelLab, I want us to look at the case study be working on. There's a website I use to get description. For instance, now I will go to this website, I will type whatever I want to do. Like you have a lot of stuff that you can work on, that you can do project on. So it is called goodbrief.io. If I don't have any work from any client to do, I will just go there and I will type goodbrief. I will just go to goodbrief.io, and I will take any company name and I will work on it. So I believe you can read this. You can actually pause this thing and read it. But the actual thing that they want us to do is that they want us to give the company the branding package, and we come up with great logo. So and the deadline is for like 2 days work. So if you're completing this one in the next few minutes. So the first thing that we want to do here is that we design logo for them, then we design flyer and business card as well. So let's say for instance now I want to I want to design the logo, and the name of the company is Bust. So I want to use, like, my idea is that I should come up with something Bust. People before people understand Bust. This is something that I want to Bust. I don't understand which kind of spelling of Bust. BUST. So I'm thinking of using combination. I will use symbol with letter. Shey get that's going to be a combination logo. For instance, now let's go to PixelLab and do something. Go to PixelLab. Where's Pixel again? PixelLab. Oh, this is here. So I'm not working on this. Let me just cancel it. Now the first thing is to do is that when you come to PixelLab, this is their note test. You can take it away by clicking on delete and delete it. Then first, another thing is that I go to this top right corner on the icon, change the image size. As I've said that one before in this stuff. Now why do we use PixelLab? The reason why we are using PixelLab, we are using image size we are using here is 1024 for. We use the same thing for logo design and flyer design, but it depends on the platform, social media you want to I mean put your work, shey you get. So it will determine the size of the logo or size of the work that you want to do. But majorly for normal size, it's just 1024 by 1024. So 1024 by 1024. So you click OK, and as it is now, I don't want to work on this background. Go to where you change your background, click on color and click on background black. I want to work on black. Should I work on black or I should work on white? Okay, let me work on black. So now I'm working on black. Okay, let's go to this middle one beside letter A. Let's go to shapes, and then You can create kind of adjustments. I'm designing already. You can be looking at it like that. It's too long. Okay, it's okay. I don't want to use my hand to rotate it. I can actually use my hand. Look at it. I'm using my hand already, but I don't want to use hand. I want to use their own stuff. Rotate rather. So I need to increase this. Okay. Okay. I think it's okay like this. No, I'm clicking it now. It's not highlighting. Okay, that's highlighted. But if you want to highlight it, you don't want to touch it. Just go under this top right corner, under the three icon. Click on the that layer, on this layer, and click the button beside lock. To highlight. You can see that it has been highlighted. So if I want to lock it, I can actually lock it from here. If I lock it, I'll not be able to shift it. My hand is on it again. It's not moving. If I want to unlock it, I'll just do like that. It will move now. You see. So it will move. Sorry. So now if I don't want if I want to do something that I don't want people to see what I'm actually doing, I can unseen it. So it's not show, but it's still there. Sure you get. So and if I mistakenly delete this thing, let's say I've deleted it now. How will I get it back? Just go to this arrow beside in front of this PixelLab. It will come back. You can see. So that's that. Now let me highlight it. Okay. I want to create grid. So hey, this grid will help me. So now I'm adjusting it. You can see what I'm doing. Okay. I still want to rotate it. No. Okay. Let me position it. Okay. Let me stop like that. Okay. Now I still want to use the same thing. I said I want to create kind of house. Then I will put bust inside it. Now, okay. Let me copy it instead of creating another one. So it's to be of the same size. Highlight it. Then this, look at down. Look at, okay. So look down rather. Sorry. So you see copy. Okay, it has been copied. Then it's highlighted already. Go to position and adjust it. Bring it. If this relative position is to like fast forward the positioning, you can see it jump now. You see. So move to this side. Okay, now before you go on, you don't want to make any mistake. I want to teach you something here very important. Look at the first one that we created. Let me highlight that first one. It's logged already. Okay, now the first one. Go and check the rotation, the degree that the rotation is. It's going to be on positive direction. That's angle 48 degree. So the next one that we'll be creating now, this second one will be minus 48 degree. You see now. Let me highlight it. The second one. Let me lock it again as well. Second one. Go to rotation. It's 48. Let me rotate to angle 40. Sorry. Let me use their button. So you see 48. Now if I take it there, it will be of the same level. Okay, now let me use a position. Sorry. It's slow. Now let me reduce it so that I can get the actual thing that I want to get. Now I want it to be perfect. I don't want people to know that I actually made something here. Sorry. Let's remove the grid and see what we are doing. You can see that kind of it's making sense. It's actually making sense. Now this one is too close to this side. Let me just adjust it a bit. No, just have to look at it in a way that the thing is perfect, so that people will not even notice that this is the software app you use to deliver the work, unless you want to tell them. Okay, it's perfect now. To an extent, it's perfect now. I still want to continue the work. Let me just, two is logged already. My hand is shaking on it like this. It's not moving. Now I still want to do something again. I want to do the same thing, but what I want to do is that I will copy these this shape, then I will reduce the size. Like I'm still building the house. Like I feel Kole, you want to build house. So now, so let me just copy it again. You can see copy here. Instead of going down, you can see copy here. Now, this one I want to adjust the size like in a way that it's be of the same size. But I'm coming. Let me bring it out first. Okay, this is one I copy. Okay. I want to make it a tiny one. Sorry, it's too. I want to make it a tiny one. Okay, I think it's better like that. So, okay, it's too long. It's too long. Oh, that's gone. So let's just delete it. It happens like that. Then you just copy it again. Think can be funny, oh seriously, I'm telling you. Now bring it out. Okay, now just want to decrease it a bit. It's too tiny. Think it's too somehow big somehow. I think it's okay. It's better like that. Now position. Let's check it. Okay, it's making sense. Let's do the second one. Let's check the degree of this. You have to check the degree. Rotate. No, it's still 48, sha. Wow. Oh, it's still the same thing. Sorry. So now let's copy this. Copy. Because the reason I copy that is that uh, I don't want to create another thing, another one again and be disturbing myself. So I'll just go to rotate and put it to 48. For, sorry, 48. Sorry. So position. Let's move. Can you see? Just make it beautiful. Let's check it. No, it's not perfect yet. You just let's just try to adjust this new one. Okay, reduce it. Let's check it. Still not perfect to me. Let's adjust let's adjust the new one. I think the new one is adjustment. Okay. Let's go to the old one and adjust it. Position. I think it's better like this. Now, okay, it's already making sense. I think we've logged everything. So now let's complete the building. Oh, builder, we have builder. We have builders. So now I still want to continue with this. Let me just take this, copy it. Then I need the 90 degrees work. So let me bring to the middle. I need the 90-degree work. Rotate 90 degree. That will be 0. Sorry. That will be 0. Yes. Now position. You see that we've been using position a lot for this work. Okay. Now just need to adjust it a bit. Let's still adjust it out. You see now, adjustment can be fun. Let's still adjust it out a bit. Yeah, let me lock it so that when I finish it, my hand will not shift it. I think it's better. It's better. So now we need let's still copy this particular one. We're still working, we're building our house. So I need another one that is kind of flat. Okay. How will I get it? How will I get it? Okay. Go to position. You know, as I'm working, I'm thinking again. So don't mind me. No, I need rotation. I'm sorry. I need to rotate it. So we're going to 90. Okay, 90. Now bring it down. This one can be funny. Okay, yeah, wow, it's almost perfect. That's good. Okay, let's adjust it out, bring it up. You see now, it's perfect. It is perfect. Oh, yes. Now, I think is we can actually. Oh, this one is not long enough. I want it to reach. Look at this. Let me see your grade. Okay, let me carry grade away. So I want it to belong in a way that I want to increase the size. I want it to belong. Coming. Let's go to relative size. This is one. Is one. My God. Okay. It's one already. It's reducing. Okay. Position. Okay. Internal long. Go to relative size again. Let's leave it at 30. 30. No. 37 is okay. No, let's just position it. No, I know what to do. Position. It's almost there. Yeah, we're almost there. We're almost there. Oh, it's too much. Sorry. Let's just bring it down. Lock it. I want to highlight it. Okay. Bring it down. Sorry. I think it's perfect like this. Now, everything is okay. Now, I'm coming. Let me check. Okay. Now, so not just this is what we want to do. What you just need to do is that let's kind of put the editing part. No, let's put the letter first. Go to A, click test, click edit. Okay, bust. So what you just need to do is just to take a particular font that will make sense. And before you go, increase the size, go to size, click OK, and go to font. I want to use the font on PixelLab. I don't want to use the font I downloaded. Just be checking it out until you see anyone that you are good with. If you see anyone that you are good with. I don't like don't like anyone here. Okay, let me see Sneeko. Let's check these Sneekos. You can actually use it. Increase the size. Okay, now you see that the base kind of cutting. That's the essence of padding. Padding will help you to adjust it. You see now. Hey, this is first. Now you can use your hand to adjust it because size is already finished. It's 216 already. Just this is where your hand will come in. Let's put it outside like this. What's the sense of this space? Bust. It might be looking somehow, but let's color it. Like, let's edit some stuff there. That roof, let's change the roof color. You want to change the roof color? I'm coming. Just click on edit. You know the first one is edit already. You see now, go to the middle beside A, go to color, enable it. You want to put it in red or green. What should we use? I think we should use this color. Let's use this one. Come on. If you want to adjust the color, just click the plus button. You can adjust it here. You can adjust it to your taste. Okay. Let's use the same color for the second one. So that okay, perfect. Color. So same color is still there. See the same color. We use the same color for it now. Then for this particular one, let's use color that can go with it. I'm coming. Is it? Here is the first one. Position, color. Should we use? Can we use green? Let's try green out. Let's use this green. Okay. You can see, just enable it. Go to green. Is that the green we're using? Okay, it's the one. So go to the next one. This is the next one. You're almost done with this logo aspect. Position it. I think this one is adjustments. It's showing outside. Here is it. It's adjustment. It's showing outside. It's too much. Let's put it outside again. Better like this. So the damp one, the last one, can actually okay, color. So we are done with that bust. So it's simple. I'm just creating something simple for the company. Now, you have to save it. You have to like adjust everything. It's too small, it's too big or somehow. Now, I want to adjust it. If I adjust it, let me see. What you need to do is that you have to merge everything together. You merge it together. Go to this layer here and click on this damp button. That's this round button. Click on it. You show another icon. You can see mark. Beside that mark, you can see something like arrow inside that two square or something beside the phone icon. Just click the mark everything here first. When you mark it, merge it together. Okay. You see now, you'll be able to use your hand to adjust it to your favorite size. You can see. So this is it. I just want it like this. I want to save it to my phone like this. But you want to save stuff like this, you don't have to use you can use different background, but in case you want to place it on another work, just have to let's remove the background. Let's save the one without background first. No, let's save it as image. Let's save it as project first. Save as project, bust. Name it as bust. Okay. Then save as image. Once you save as image, you click on custom. The drop down in front of custom. Click on ultra. Ultra is the best PNG, high quality, and save to your gallery. Usually it doesn't take time, so you can actually see that one. Then if you want to add background to this and actually see the background, then click on this and see the background. See the background. There's different background for it. So you're satisfied with anyone. Now, see that you still don't like kind of satisfied with it. You can actually go back to do some things. You want to edit it back. Everything is back now. Let's say I just want to kind of work on that bust alone. I want to edit this bust. Just go to A. I want to edit. I want to work on B. Okay. I've used fonts. Okay. Let me use a stroke. Sorry, I want to show you. Click on stroke and click on stroke and enable it. Let's use something green as well. The 4 is too much. It's too much. Okay. Let's take out. Let's go to 2. 2 is okay. Okay. You don't need shadow here. Let's go to something. Let's go to emboss. So emboss. Okay. Enable it. With intensity. Just be playing around with it till you're kind of satisfied with the outcome. No, I don't like that. It's too bright. Okay, look at like this. Specular. Specular is not actually working here. Bevel. I think I need the bevel. Oh, so let me. It's like I can't click on it. Let's go to embossing. Let's go to embossing. You're still in emboss. Emboss. It's 13. Let's check. Okay. You can see. Okay. Okay. Took it like this. 18. So now you can actually use this line spacing to know, like adjust it to shift it together or something. I don't need to shift anything. It's okay like this. So now I think this one is better. What do you think, guys? Sorry. Okay. I think this is better. So let's save this as project. Bust one. Let's use bust one. Is there already? Let's use it as bust one. Let's remove the background. Save this one. We'll be using this particular one as our work when we are designing the flyer and then the business card. Save as image. So change the background. You can see it's making sense. It might be simple, but it's actually making sense. So let's check it on phone. The one we see actually saved to phone. This one we are working on. This is the description. This is the first one. I mean the second one. This is the first one. You can see the difference. So we've not matched this one together at all, this particular one, but we've matched this one. So that's that. I think some extent you've done something. So we can move to flyer, the second part of it. Thanks for staying around, guys.